guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's not what I was expecting. We are going to be unboxing my Christmas box from Claire, who is Diary of a Beauty Geek. We've done this last year and this year. It's me, Michelle, who is Lightning Lass, and Diary of a Beauty Geek, who is Claire. We each buy each other a box of goodies. And I unboxed Michelle's and Michelle's unboxed mine, which has gone up already. And I'll link all the videos down below as they come out. I'll just link it so they're all there. And Claire just messaged me saying, oh, Parcel Force, I've got your delivery. It's coming now. The doorbell just went and I opened it. This is huge. What? Like, does this even show how big this is? Like, seriously, what the hell is in here, Claire? I'm so excited. Apparently, she got me something that she had to get because it was on offer. I think it was meant to be 50 and it was down at 15. And she messaged Ben and he said that I'd got something similar, but I'd like it. And I'm like, what is it? And it's fragile and I just want to know. But we had a £20 budget, so I'm a bit confused. But yeah, I'm very excited. Claire and Michelle are just amazing. We met up last year and we've been friends on YouTube. I'll link both of their channels. They're both amazing. Claire is like so close to 20k now. It's like ridiculous. She's just like smashing the tits off YouTube. They're both absolutely wonderful and we're going to meet up again next year and I cannot freaking wait because they're just so lush. But yeah, let's just get into this bitch because what the fuck is it? What the fuck is it? I think I might need some scissors. I'm going to link everyone's channels. You'd have to go and subscribe to them. I'm sure, like, I'm sort of like 97% sure that you're already subscribed to both of them. But if for that tiny percentage that you aren't, go over. Tell them I sent you. Give them some love. What the hell is this? Ugh. Someone told me the other day they like my videos because of my angry unwrapping, which I think is amazing. What the frick is this, Claire? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to stand up. What? What? Oh my god! What the hell is this? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna grab everything out. Oh my goodness. I don't want to drop anything. Oh my god, this box is so big. My arm actually doesn't reach to the bottom of it very well. Right, okay, I think that's it. Right, I think we've got everything. Now, I know you're all like, open the big one first, but I'm not. I'm not gonna open the big one first. I'm gonna open the little ones first. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to poop my pants and I think I like it. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Oh, to Lucy, Ben, Mika, Aria and Fox. Love from Claire, John, Harley, Jasmine and Oliver. That's such a pretty card. I love it. Oh, I love it. Claire's just texted me because I did her a video. I've just got to try and hide my address.
That is fucking huge. That is huge. What is it?
Sent it on WhatsApp. Right, okay. I'm going for the square one first. I think I got everything wrong because I thought we were doing like a makeup box swap like we did last year, but it wasn't. It was like a gifts and makeup. I didn't get the memo, but in my defense I have just had a baby like 16 weeks ago, so my brain is just a big ball of bark and sick at the moment. Is it? Ugh. Oh my goodness. Can't get in it! I can't get in it! It's my angry unwrapping for Anya because she loves it. Oh, it's the Anytime mug. What is this? Oh my goodness. Get off. Get off. There's a sticker on the swear word. Look at this mug. Total fucking legend. See, Michelle and Claire both got me mugs because they know I fucking love mugs. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. I was thinking the other day, I haven't got hardly any mugs with swearing on anymore. I used to have loads. I've got like my cunt mug there, but that doesn't work anymore. It's like the C is the handle, and when you put water in it, it went white and you could see what it said. And then I had one that had all the swearing on it, but then that one got broken. I love it. Okay, this one is really heavy. Get out. Get out. Ooh. Oh my god, are you tough enough? Hot chili infused oil, I dare you. I'm such a wiener now, Claire. When I was pregnant, I had like the most ridiculous tolerance for spicy food, and I don't know if I've still got it anymore, but that is a really fucking cool jar. Look at that. It's a skull. I love skulls. I've got this jar, but like a big one somewhere. I think it's in the other room. I love that. That is so cool. I'm not going to do it now. I'm not going to do it now. I'm gonna try and do more box swaps next year. Woo! What is this? Oh, it's a chocolate reindeer! Yummers! Who doesn't love a chocolate reindeer? I know I freaking do. I just like all chocolate, to be fair. Whether it's a reindeer or not. But the fact it's a reindeer is super festive and I love it. I can't wait to see them open my boxes. I hope they like them. I feel so rubbish for like not realising it was just gifts and not just makeup. I'm so crap. But she has just texted me and said she got the thing on a Black Friday deal for £15 instead of 50. So she told me not to freak out because it's not like massively over budget. Oh, shut the front door. Look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm totally wearing this on the school run. This is why I know none of the mums will be friends with me. Look, it says fuck you on a necklace. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna wear this to my little girl's teacher. She'll just like crap her pants. She's very prim and proper. That is amazing. Claire! Oh my gosh. This is insane. Right. Let's open this big bitch. This wrapping paper does not want to be opened. It's like the foil stuff, so you can't rip the fucker. Here we go. Here we go. What is it? Oh my god! Get it out. Oh my goodness! Ah, get out of the wrapping paper! Get out! Oh my god! I can't get it out quick enough. I'm so fucking excited. Shit the bed! Oh my god, Claire, this is fucking amazing! Oh my god, I absolutely fucking love that so much. Oh my god, my little heart is going, look, I'm all pink, I'm so excited. If you like why I get that excited, I love stuff like this. Look, I've got antlers up there, I've got a dead bat over there. It's my wall of death. Claire, that is insane. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. How lovely is that? I know quite a lot of people watching this are going to be like, that is horrible. Obviously it's not real, it's just wood. That one's real and the bat's real, but this is, oh my goodness, look at that. That is so cool. My kitchen is black and white as well. If it's your first time here, welcome to my kitchen. My super goth kitchen, all matte black. So this, oh my god, this is totally going in here somewhere. I think it might go up there. I love it so much. I need to just send Claire a message. Oh my god. Oh my god, I fucking love it. I'm literally filming now, look. I'm filming whilst I'm filming. I love it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. I love it. Look, there's, yeah, we're just filming still. Oh, look how pink I am. I'm so excited. Yeah. How good is that? That's amazing. Like all the stuff like the other bits, the mug and the oil and the necklace, like that's amazing on its own, and then this is just insane. Ben's gonna love this. He luckily he likes all weird stuff as well. He doesn't like my creepy dolls, but he does like weird stuff as well. Oh my goodness. Again, it's like one of my favourite things I've ever been bought. Genuinely, absolutely love it. You smashed it. Thank you so much, Claire. Oh my goodness. I can't get over it. I literally can't get over how much I love this. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna make bet he's gonna come back in a minute and I'm gonna make him put it on the wall. Oh my God, it's so good. Thank you so much, Claire. You are just wonderful and I love you loads, and I can't wait for us to meet up next year. This is incredible. Like proper incredible. Thank you so much. If you guys like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm running a giveaway at the moment. You should definitely subscribe to Claire's channel. Help her get to 20k. And Michelle's, who's also a freaking legend. Did anybody actually guess this was going to be in there? If you'd have had to say what is going to be in the big box, what would you have guessed? I would not have got, I literally had no idea what it was going to be. You could have said, right, I'll give you £100 if you can guess something. And I literally would have had no idea. So this is amazing. I love it. And I can't wait to put it on the wall. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Claire and Michelle for doing another box swap with me. We'll do it again next year. And hopefully we'll be able to meet up again in the new year and we can do some fun videos all together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye guys. Girls, come here a minute. I'm gonna see what the kids think. Come in. You wanna know what was in the big box? Yeah. Let Mummy just move this. What do you think was in the big box?
Horns.
What do you think? Is it cool? What is it?
Bull.
Yeah, it's like a bull. It's a skeleton head, isn't it? Do you like it?
Yeah. And it's a bull.
And it's a bull. Where do you think we should put it? On a wall?
There.
Yeah, that's a good idea. It's from Claire. What do you say to Claire?
Thank you.
Wow. Do you remember, Claire, when we went to see her and Michelle in the little tiny house? That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it then?
Yeah.
I got a chocolate reindeer as well. Nobody wants any, do they?
Yeah.
You don't want some chocolate reindeer, do you, Mika?
Yeah. Chocolate reindeer.
Mmm. Should we eat it all before Daddy gets home?
Yeah.
Say thanks, Claire.